how to remove the door panel and the sweep on a 2025, 24, 26 Audi Q7. So I couldn't really find any videos for this one online, so I figured we'd make one. You're going to want to remove this fake wood grain piece here. So I like to come in from this side. Just going to come in, pop that out a little, right down here. You hear it pop, like that. Woo! Don't let that happen. You can kind of work it down or just pop it from that end. And it does have this little tab, so you want to slide that out. And it just goes like that. And so it's just these that go right into here. Comes out nicely. It doesn't take your face out. And then we got screw here, screw, screw, screw. And there's also one right down here. I think it's a, what do I have in here? I have a T20 in here. I'm going to go under this front corner here. And just pull out, pop, the bottom. I'm going to come up here and pop. There's one more. Then it should be free. And you're going to go up. Now that we have that off, I leave the door panel attached. You can just grab here. Move the sweep. I use these little hangers. There we go. So get your sweep off out of the way. I've also noticed a lot of these companies are putting this plastic around here on the side. I worked on a Volvo yesterday. And some of them you can just kind of, if it is in your way of getting the film in there, I like to just kind of take that, roll it out of the way a little bit. And this tiny little piece of foam that goes behind it. Yeah, take that out of your way, and then basically it's just a little bit easier, a little bit less in your way. Yeah. Kyle, detailing Cape Cod. All right, time to get to tinting.